All right, so are you ready to jump into some AI news? Because things are moving crazy fast right now.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
And today we're going to be looking at maybe a pretty big shakeup in the world of chatbots.
Yeah, sounds good.
So have you heard about DeepSeek?
I have, yeah.
They're this Chinese AI company, and their app just hit #1 on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store.
Yeah,
I mean, it was like days after it hit the top spot on Apple that it was #1 on Google Play, too.
really? That's crazy.
Yeah, so we're going to do a deep dive into DeepSeek today and figure out what makes them so interesting.
Okay.
Why are people paying so much attention to them? And what does this mean for all of us who use AI?
For sure.
And to help us do that, we've got this article called DeepSeek Reaches #1 on US Play Store.
All right, let's get into it.
So to start with, they have insane download numbers.
Yeah, that was the first thing I noticed too.
Over 1.2 million downloads on Google Play, almost 2 million on Apple's App Store.
And that's globally, right?
Yeah, globally.
In just like a few weeks, that's nuts.
Yeah, and some people are saying it's even more than that, like maybe even 5 million downloads.
Wow, so it seems like there's a huge demand for these new AI tools.
Yeah. What do you think that says about the world? Like, are people ready to just start using AI for everything?
I think people are definitely getting more comfortable with AI, especially if it's easy to use.
Yeah, for sure. So, besides just the app being popular, what else is going on?
Well, the big thing about DeepSeek is that they release these open source AI models
Okay.
that are actually as good as the models from these huge companies like OpenAI, who made ChatGPT, or Google.
Wow, so they're competing with the biggest companies.
Yeah, and they're doing it with way less money and way less powerful computers.
That's crazy. How are they doing that?
I know, right? I mean, no one really knows for sure,
Yeah.
but it's a really big deal because it shows that you don't need to be a massive company to be successful with AI.
Yeah, that makes sense. But for people like me who aren't programmers, what does open source even mean?
So basically, it means that DeepSeek is sharing their AI models with anyone who wants to use them.
Oh, so other people can use their models.
Yeah, exactly. Other companies can use them in their apps. Developers can change them and use them to create new stuff. Anyone.
Interesting. So it's not like a secret recipe that only they have?
Exactly. It's more like sharing the recipe with everyone.
That's pretty cool. Like it's helping AI advance faster.
Yeah, exactly. And it's kind of like what happened with Linux.
To listen to the full podcast episode, please follow the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.